Hello everyone, my name is Vera, the voice behind the Spoken Soul Trails. Nature relaxes, nature rejuvenates, nature restores. And this is just a 5 minutes video of Homabay County tour with a motorbike. Of course, I went first and ate some fish at some restaurant along Homabay Rongo Road. Then my trip continued to Asego Hills. It is a very beautiful place and it gives the entire view of Homabay County. As you can see, the motorbike was struggling to reach the hill.
Check it out.
And finally, the view is here. You can see Lake Victoria, Tomboya University, county offices, and the hills and several other offices from this point. And this is me just taking random videos and photos. Behind me is the governor's place. From the hills, the town tour officially began, and now we are headed to the modern morgue. I didn't get inside, but from the outside you can see it looks very clean and decent. And this is Tomboya University, very leafy and serene. Another thing I loved about Homabay County is the street naming. Each street is named and you can hardly get lost. And this is the state lounge. This is where the state officials spend when they have their trip to Homabay County or its environ. We followed the route behind it, but there's a beautiful front gate. And this is the former county offices, which is the current health offices. Branching right, you are now headed to the official lake view. And of course, random photos as I felt the breeze from the lake. Homabay G-Spot is one place that you should not miss to visit. It is connected to the amphitheater, even though we could not access the amphitheater at that moment because it was still under construction. Next was the Governor's Park. This place is a sure chill spot, also good for weddings, parties, etc. My journey ended at Arujo, where I was just having a quiet chill. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. You can now visit Homabay County to experience and explore more. They say it's a county of endless potential. I will say it is a county of endless and limitless potential. Thank you.